crude oil, daily forecast, February 25th, fxempire.com. As you can see, the light sweet crude market fell last couple sessions until Friday, where we got a little bit of a bounce and formed a hammer. The biggest problem that we have with this is there's not much here that suggests that this should be any great strength. There's this little bit here, but quite frankly, we think this will simply perhaps rally and offer a selling opportunity. We see the real significant support down here at 91, and we think we will eventually try to make that. So we're willing to sell rallies. Remember, this was predicated upon a knee-jerk reaction out of the Fed that there's the possibility that they may possibly look into erasing some of the quantitative easing that was scheduled, but nobody's really committed to that, and there's been mixed signals since then. So there's a lot of erratic behavior in the Fed and the governors, and of course in the market. So we think a little bit of a rally, perhaps a sell-off again, could be the way to go, and we would be willing to buy down here. We are not willing to buy a break of the highs just simply because we think the bounce will be fairly short-lived with this certain amount of noise down here. So the closer we get to 91, the more interested we are in going long, quite frankly. Looking at the Brent market, you can see that we did bounce during the Friday session. It's a decent bounce, but it's at 113.50, an area that means nothing on the charts. So having said that, we think, and you'll notice that we bounced into this area here and it gave back almost immediately. So we think that we will more than likely fall again and probably aim for about 110. It's at 110 that we become very interested in buying the Brent market, but should say that we believe that the light sweet crude will be the stronger of the two. So once we reach down here, if all things being equal, we should probably be in support over there as well. We may actually find ourselves buying light sweet crude instead of Brent, but either should be a viable trade at that point in time on a supportive candle.